All right, guys. So this video is about how I made the Instagram clone. It's not done yet. There's still more stuff that we need to get done. But anyways, so this is running on Django. So let's just start the server again. It's closed right now. So if we load it, won't work. So I'm starting it on port 1000. And I'm remaking this video because I had some error in the last video. So this is the first screen. So the thing is, like, when you say we go to 10-minute mail and we get a new email, so it sends you an email. Okay, so say username, so say any username, user1. I'll just go like new user, and say we give it that email that we got from here. Okay, so this is just for testing purpose, that if it works or not, and then we can set any password. For now I'm just doing 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if we create an account, it will send an email on this in a second. Yep, so there we have it. It says welcome dear new user. So that's the new user that we the username of that one. So new user, and then the password 1 2 3 4 5 6. So on creating a new account, it's just sends an email that you can log in here, stuff like that. That login link is kind of correct, not correct right now. Anyway, so this is what happens when you log in. So I'll just log in again. It's just for you to see that it does log in, like new user 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. So yep, so once you log in, you can see the posts by other users, and you can like them and dislike them, stuff like that. So if you say, if you don't like tigers, you just be like, oh, I don't like that, and then it yeah, basically it has an ed on that, and then it shows up in your profile. So it says posts I like for now, but it's actually that one. You can change it. You can, if you do a like on it, like, it changes, and it's also saves to the database. So if I refresh this, it will still remember that you edit this, and if you change that, it will still remember. Cool. If you like click the same icon again, it will just remove that. So you don't like that anymore, so there's no posts that you like anymore. So here it just says your new user and sets up a default profile for you. You can go edit profile and choose a picture for your profile. So say we have say I want this picture as my profile, and then I want my name to be like as anything really. Click update profile. Their CSS is off right now, but still these buttons, the CSS is off, so colors could change. Like, I just recently changed the color. Anyways, as you can see, we can have a profile picture here. Another thing is, like, we can follow other users. So like if we follow Chris, say it will say Chris has been added to your list. You can make the CSS look better, and I will do that in a later video as well. But if you go to your profile now, it will show up here the users you are following and the users that are following. Like, you have no followers right now. So we'll also log into another account and follow us, and it will show up the users that are following us. Also, if you make an account, make a post, I mean, say if you go here and I'm not sure if these are like repeating videos or not, but I think mountains is a very good one. So it's like MOUNTA, and then body, another post. And you click add post, it adds that post, and then it will show up here somewhere in the bottom. Yeah, mountain, like by new user, and like this was by Abdul and everything. So you can see, you can like it, and it will show up in your profile that you like your own post. So first it's just like my posts and posts I like, so it's your own post. So you can remove that, and it will still like have your own post. But if you do like that, it will show up in here as well. Same with other people's posts. So that's pretty much it. Like, all the functionality, the sending the email stuff, and the like stuff, and the follow The button is saying follow here again. It should be saying following. Yeah, it's an easy change. But this is what I've made so far, and this is all the code for it. I'm not going to publicly release the code because this is an assignment still, and probably will be released after a few months. Yep, say in, what's the month right now? Say after July or something. Yeah. So that's pretty much what I have made till now. And yeah, what I will be doing now is, instead of like making the whole thing, I'll be making like smaller videos on tutorials on how to do particular parts of it. So like how to so that you can use those small parts to make like add that particular functionality into your own code, instead of having the, if like we will go over just how to make a like on a post, just that a video on its own, and then how to send emails, stuff like that. One, like how to send emails with Django using what we've done here is, instead of doing like emails the traditional like Django way, we have just used the traditional way. We are using like email message from email message and stmplib. That's just this Python library, nothing to do with Django. So, but that still works, and it is sending a, like we can send variables to it and stuff like that. We can even use HTML in it. We'll be doing basics like that, and yeah, that's it. If you like this, subscribe, and I'll be making videos. Yeah, thanks.